Hello, ayan. So, good afternoon, good morning, or magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, i-discuss natin ano yung 16 months na sinasabi nila. Ayan. So, ito yung mga spouse or common law partners of high-skilled worker who are not, I repeat, who are not on a pathway to permanent residence. So, wala pa silang pina-file na pang PR application nila. Yan. So, number 1 requirements, proof of your relationship to your applicant, such as birth certificate, ayan, saturation declaration common law, kung common law partners kayo, ayan. Sa dependents naman, pwedeng birth certificate or adoption papers, ayan. So, yung pangalawang requirement is proof that principal applicant can or will be legalized, authorized to work in Canada. Ayan. Dapat meron daw siyang valid work permit dito sa Canada. Ayan. So, yung next na requirement is proof that applicant or principal applicant can work in Canada for at least 16 months after we receive the open work permit application. Ayan. Ito yung dinidiin niya, di ba? Na ang principal applicant dapat meron siyang 16 months validity of his or her permit bago niya in-apply yung kanyang spouse or common law partner permit. Ayan. Yan yung sinasabi niya dito. And lastly, the principal applicant is working in tier category 0 and 1 or selection of 2 or 3 occupation classification system. So, dapat nandun siya sa trabaho na nakakategory sa 0 or 1 or certain selection of 2 and 3. Ayan. Yan po. So, doon naman po, doon sa 6 months, yan. So, wag kayong malilito sa 6 months and 16 months. Ayan. So, yun namang 6 months, ito yung mga aplikante o principal applicant, ayan, na nakago na or nakaprocess na yung kanilang work permit application. Ayan. So, sabi nila dito, family members of high-skilled worker who are, I repeat, who are on pathway to permanent residence. Ayan. Sorry. Ayan. So, number 1 na kailangan din nila is proof of your relationship to the principal applicant. Ayan, katulad ng marriage certificate again, saturation of declaration of common law union, ayan, sa mga dependents, adoption papers, birth certificate, ayan. Yung pangalawang requirement for the 6 months is proof that principal applicant can be or legally work in Canada, ayan. So, same din siya ng, dun sa 16 months, kailangan ang may valid kang work permit, ayan. Yung pangatlong requirement dun sa 6 months is proof that principal applicant can work in Canada for at least 6 months after we receive the family members for work permit application. Yun yung sinasabi nila dito. So, yung principal applicant daw ay dapat meron siyang 6 months validity bago niya in-apply yung work permit ng kanyang asawa or spouse. Ayan. Ubo-ubo pa ako. Proof that principal applicant will be working in category 0, 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Ito, sakop niya lahat. 0, 1, 2, 3. Hindi katulad dun sa 16 months kanina na 0, 1, and then selection lang ng 2 and 3. Ayan. Ayan po yung pagkakaiba nung 16 months and 6 months. Ayan. So, huwag kayo malilito. So, ulitin ko, 16 months, yan yung hindi ba nakago ang PR? Ayan. Ang 6 months, nakago na yung PR nila. Ayan. So, yun lang. Pag nagustuhan niyo po ang aking video, like and share, at maraming salamat po.